Hey, I just wanted to make a quick video based on comments today on how to set up a Bluebeam Studio Session. Now, the advantage of Bluebeam Studio Sessions are that everybody can be, annotating, looking at, referencing a number of Bluebeam PDFs all at the same time. Everybody can mark it up at the same time. Everybody can look at review while somebody else is marking up. There are a lot of really great alert features so that if you're trying to assign a task or ask a specific person on your team a question, it can get directed directly to them. So let's jump in and see how to get this set up. First, you have to have a PDF, and other than that, just have to have Bluebeam. One person has to have Bluebeam Review to set it up. In actuality, you can use the free version to review and to mark up the set. If you don't have Bluebeam, just the person who sets it up has to have Bluebeam Review. So what you do is you click down here to the studio, which is the bottom on the left-hand side. You will have to log in. So you can see here that I have already logged in. If this is your first time, you'll actually have to create a username and password for yourself in order to do that. It's about a 3-minute process. But once you do that, you'll be able to see, as you can see here, these are all of the studio sessions that I have. So in order to create a studio session, if this is, again, your first time, you want to make sure that this little green thing says that you're connected. That connects you to their Bluebeam Studio Session server. All of these PDFs will be hosted in the cloud.